Ever wondered how your daily habits can impact your health? Well, the answer lies not just in your routines, but in your diet as well. Today, we delve into an age-old recipe straight from my grandmother's kitchen, a woman who hasn't been ill for 35 years. Her secret? A potent blend of ginger, orange, lemon, turmeric, and water. Our first ingredient is ginger, a potent root vegetable packed with numerous health benefits. Weighing in at 50 grams for this recipe, ginger is famously known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Its main bioactive compound, gingerol, has powerful medicinal properties that can help lower the risk of infections, improve digestion, and even reduce muscle pain. Next up, we have an orange. This bright and juicy fruit is a powerhouse of vitamin C, a nutrient that strengthens our immune system. It also contains a good amount of dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and helps maintain a healthy weight. Plus, the flavonoids present in oranges can help regulate high blood pressure, and the antioxidants are great for skin health. Then we have a lemon, another citrus fruit that's a vitamin C powerhouse. It not only boosts our immune system, but also aids in digestion and detoxification. Lemons are also a good source of folate, a vitamin that helps in creating new cells and can be beneficial for heart health. Our fourth ingredient is turmeric. Just a teaspoon of this golden spice can work wonders. Curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, has powerful anti-inflammatory effects and is a very strong antioxidant. It can help improve brain function, fight Alzheimer's disease, and lower the risk of heart diseases. Finally, we have 200 milliliters of water. Though simple, water is vital. It hydrates the body, regulates body temperature, aids in digestion, and flushes out toxins, keeping our system clean and functioning smoothly. So there you have it, a simple yet potent recipe that's packed with health benefits. It's a medley of anti-inflammatory properties, antioxidants, digestive aids, and immune boosters. It's a recipe that has kept my grandmother healthy for over 3 decades. Remember, your health is an investment, not an expense. This recipe is more than just a blend of ingredients. It's a testament to the power of nature and its abundant gifts. So why not give it a try? Harness the power of these ingredients and let them guide you towards better health. After all, the journey to wellness begins with a single step.